Good day and welcome to the bonus how-to. Today I'm wondering, which mobs can we all lightning strike? And what happens to them if we do that? I'm sorry, I have to do this. I know, I'm a bad person. First I started searching on the web. Mobs that can be affected by a lightning strike. Every single lightning strike could potentially spawn a skeleton trap. This happens when a skeleton trap happens, I guess. I mean, this is the image they provided, a skeleton horse. Creepers will become charged if struck by lightning. This doubles their blast radius and damage. You can tell from the blue aura around them. These are rare spawn. However, it is good to have some blast protection, armor or shield. Pigs will turn into zombified piglins if struck by lightning. These are versions of piglins normally found only in the nether and are passive until hit. However, this is a rare spawn. Looks like all of them are rare spawns, but okay. Villagers will turn into witches struck by lightning. These mobs throw potions at the player and drink health potions themselves. Phantoms will spawn high in the sky and dive at you depleting health. Usually you don't notice them, so keep an eye on them. Okay, skeleton trap. I have no idea how to make that happen, but I think I first need to get on hard difficulty. I have no clue how to make this happen, but let's just keep this repeat. Yeah, I think the chance is only with a natural lightning bolt, but let me just check that one. There you go. This will happen with a very low chance with a lightning strike. Very interesting. And of course these mobs are pretty strong. Let's say that at least. Goddamn. They are really aggressive and they attack you all the time. Oh wow, they're already shooting at each other. I love this. Goodbye my friends. So okay, let me get a normal creeper and blow myself up. I'm doing this far away from the spawn. Spawning a creeper. Okay, this is the normal creeper. Let's get blown up. And now, let's spawn our charge creeper. Good luck. Oh no, we do not want this creeper to die. Okay, nice. Okay, we got a charge creeper. Come here, little creeper. I know you can do it. Come over here. Dare me. Okay, here I go. So they told us that it will be double the damage. Oh. You can definitely see the difference. The charge creeper does way more damage than a normal creeper. If you would have to repair your house, nah, forget it. That will be really annoying. So people, don't get a charge creeper in your house because it will blow everything up. Get a whole family. There you go, whole family. Hello people, how are you doing? How are you all doing? Having a nice day? Okay, hope you are. Because you are getting struck by lightning. Okay. Oh. We do want every single thing to strike. There you go. So, the Zombified Piglin. I think we all know these. I mean, you have a lot of updates. You're lucky the sun doesn't burn you. Goodbye. I killed myself to kill the piglins. I have one. Oh wow, monster hunter. Very nice. Oh, turning that off. Okay, people, let's get our villagers in here. Okay, we got a whole family. And they look kinda weird. But hey, this is Minecraft. Enjoy it. But still, okay. Struck once. Oh wait, water. We need water. I need to save them. Oh wait. They pretty much saved themselves because they have potions. Ooh, that's really over. So we got loads of witches over here. How are you all doing? Oh, you're giving me slowness. Oh, poison. But I know they can throw damage, right? Go. Enjoy being struck by lightning. So phantoms will attempt to spawn every 1 to 2 minutes when you got insomnia. So I hope you have learned something in this video, that the skeleton trap can be spawned and they're in the ground, wow, that the creeper can turn into a charge creeper, the zombified piglin can change, that the pig can change into zombified piglin, and I'm just going to hit this witch again, that the villager can change into a witch. And phantoms are not spawning with a lightning bolt, but they're spawning in the thunderstorm, when you did not get your nice sleep. So, now you know this. Hope you subscribe, like and comment on this video. And if I missed something, tell us, and I'll see you in the next one.